Hey, it's Stefan here, and I'm going to show you exactly how my partner Greg and I found a completely new way of getting 100% free traffic, and how it worked incredibly well, turning an easy effort into 30,000 plus visitors every single month. The best part? We've had consistent, passive, free traffic and income ever since. And we did it without any SEO, spending a single dollar for traffic, and without relying on affiliates and giving up 50% of our profits in the process. And instead of filling this video up with fluff and hype, we're going to share facts and results because that's what we believe in. So by now you're probably asking yourself how we were able to get such fast free traffic without SEO and without paying for it, and how you can tap in right now to flood your landing pages, e-com stores, affiliate offers, product pages with rapid free traffic while building your list fast in the process. Just what are we doing differently than the thousands of marketers out there who are watching their businesses fail due to lack of consistent, easy traffic? Well, there's two things. One, we focused on free and reliable traffic, and we use it in a special way that allows us to consistently get visitors every single day without continued manual work. The other thing we do is we scale. The beauty of this method is there is no limit to how much traffic you can get, and it works in virtually any niche. After getting your first visitors, which should be pretty easy, simply scale up the method and get up to 30,000 plus visitors every single month. Some days we even get up to 20,000 plus visitors in a single day. These strategies are completely legal and ethical and so dummy-proof that anyone can do it. And we'll show you everything inside Traffic Rebirth, how to build these passive traffic machines. Traffic Rebirth will not only reveal how we leverage the power of free, easy traffic to drive income every single day, but we'll also show you how to automate this entire process so you can let the traffic gods do all the work for you. You'll know which niche to enter. You'll know how to set up your free traffic. You'll even know how to keep the visitors scaling as much as you want without spending a single penny on your visitors. Imagine having a powerful, consistent free traffic method in your back pocket so you can start driving 30,000 visitors every single month while others will continue to struggle. And imagine making over $5,000 from a single site with AdSense alone, knowing good and well you can create as many of these passive, free traffic money sites as you want. These kinds of results are absolutely possible. Now imagine scaling and having 30,000 eyeballs on your affiliate offers, e-com stores, AdSense sites, squeeze pages, and anywhere else every single month. That's what's possible when you use the strategies that we teach. We're consistently getting free, targeted traffic and income every day with our method. Now you can do the same, finally breaking free from the failed traffic methods that the experts are teaching you.
Attention, traffic methods have completely changed in 2018. Read on for details. And that's like, what? No, they haven't. I mean, maybe they did. I think they did, but this method haven't, right? This method worked in 2017 and it will work in 2018 because it's proven. So two regular guys uncovered the idiot-proof way to get 30,000 visitors per month in any niche and make $5.5 thousand per site in the process. Awesome, cool. Shut up. Now let's get to the actual product. Now these guys, Greg and Stefan, are friends of mine, but I don't want to seem like I'm a friend of theirs, like I'm biased. So to show you how much I'm not biased, I'm gonna insult them hard, right? I'm gonna say like Stefan is like, he's from America, and you know, and Trump is his president. I'm just kidding. No, I love America. So I'm not gonna insult them, but I can assure you that I'm not biased. But let's start talking about the actual product. So the product works like this. They show you how to go ahead and grab traffic from Pinterest, and then go ahead and send it to AdSense sites and e-com sites. Okay, this is very good. And AdSense sites and e-com sites, and they are making big money with that. And they released a method called Pulley last year, which is similar, teaching how to get traffic from Pinterest in April last year. But since then, things have been updated. The approach, the groups, everything was updated, and they're sharing everything with you. They even have case studies on the front end here with you. So let me show you. It's like on the intro, you can find case study and case study. One of Greg's traffic on Dad's House, and one on Stefan's traffic and Doggy Desires. Yeah, Doggy Desires. That is a doggy website, not a doggy website. So, summary overview of the method. And basically you go and you have 6 modules showing you everything how to create, and then like bonus module, SEO traffic. The idea here is to get traffic very fast. What I like about this method is that you can tap into a lot. You can show your offer, in front of many eyeballs for free, very fast. Now, the kicker here is you're not gonna get 100,000 visitors overnight, but you can show your offer, you can show your message to 100,000 visitors overnight, and out of that you can get like 1,000, right, or 500 people overnight with this, right? Really, and targeted people. So you show it to many eyeballs, and a very small percentage of these eyeballs actually goes on your website and clicks, but that's still great because you get a lot of free traffic fast. So I think this method is very powerful if you're looking for free traffic fast and want to replace paid traffic or to supplement with free traffic, right? I really like this product. I think it's very much a step-by-step. They're showing you everything, how to set WordPress, blah, blah. By the way, keep in mind that some of these videos here are videos that are from the original product. So they have here some videos like where was I saw one video which was maybe this one, I don't remember, which was from November 2017, which is 3 months ago. So it's not new for this. It's just a video that teaches you how to do certain tasks. They're using an old video, and then they have a video from like April, and then they have the new videos right in the Pinterest section, traffic section. So it's kind of a combination. It's basically an update of an older method, right? This is what it is. Doesn't mean it doesn't work. It works like crazy. God, yes, it does work like crazy. Oh yeah, I wanted to tell you basically about budgets you can expect with this method. So first of all, they're talking here about making $5.5 thousand per site. It'll take you time to reach there. It's going to take you a long time to reach there. At first, you can expect a realistic 1K or something like that, right? Because I think it's a slow snowman method, right? And as you become better and you outsource this or use some kind of software, which I bet my right hand that they will try to sell you at the back end of this. But if you outsource or use some kind of software, you can go ahead and simply automate this entire task, because this task takes time. They say 30 minutes per day. Yes, for a little bit of traffic. More for more traffic. You know what I'm saying? And 30,000 visitors per month, easily possible with this, right?